Hey, what's up guys? Captain Steve here from Deadliest Cast Fishing. Today I wanted to share a brand new roller bag that we got from FishLab. This is their new large roller bag here. This is a bag that you'll see featured in my videos when I go fishing out of San Diego, Baja. It's got plenty of storage. It has 4 rod holders here. There's the straps to hold your rods in place so they don't fall over. Lots of storage space. Let me open this bad boy up. It's made from a water resistant material here. And as you see, there's plenty of storage here. You put your reels, a bunch of accessories, put some pens, whatever you got to put in there. Plenty of storage, okay? Also, it comes with 4 of the FishLab smoke tackle boxes. As you see right here, 3 of these guys. And there's a bigger one. You can put your bigger jigs and bigger trolling accessories and whatnot, or whatever other kind of fishing you can do. Plenty of storage. You guys can just maximize this bag to its full potential. You got storage here, put leaders and all kinds of stuff in here as well. All right, so on the back of this, you open this pocket up, it actually comes with a cover, okay? It's a cover that'll cover your whole bag so it won't get wet and slimy, nasty when you're fishing. That's pretty cool. And then when you're done, tuck it back in there, like so, and you can zip it up. Has a shoulder strap. You can also carry this if it's heavy, like I know I'm gonna have it pretty loaded. You can roll this down the dock. It's got these 2 double wheels here. They can take a pretty good load. But overall, this is just great, you know? It'll hold a lot of tackle, and you'll be seeing this in the videos I'll be filming soon. So yeah, go ahead and check it out from FishLab. This is the large roller bag, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the water.